Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Fiesta fuel filter. First, gather your essential tools, including a new fuel filter, appropriate wrenches, and crucial safety glasses. Always ensure your Ford Fiesta is on a level surface and the engine is completely cool before you begin any work. For safety, disconnect the car's battery to eliminate any potential electrical hazards throughout the replacement process. This preparation is key for a smooth and safe filter change. Next, you need to depressurize the fuel system. This is a critical step. Simply remove the fuel pump fuse or relay and then start the engine briefly until it stalls. Now, locate the fuel filter, which is usually situated near the fuel tank or underneath the vehicle. For easier and safer access, carefully raise your Ford Fiesta using a reliable jack and secure it firmly with jack stands. Never work under a car supported only by a jack. With the system depressurized, place a suitable drain pan directly beneath the fuel filter to collect any remaining fuel. Carefully disconnect the fuel lines from the old filter using the appropriate wrenches or quick disconnect tools, being mindful of fuel spills. Once the old filter is removed, install the new fuel filter, making sure the flow arrow on the filter body points correctly towards the engine. Secure all connections tightly to prevent leaks. Finally, reconnect your car's battery. Before driving, turn the ignition to the on position a few times without starting the engine to prime the fuel system. Then, start the engine and carefully check for any fuel leaks around the new filter connections. Dispose of the old fuel filter responsibly, following all local environmental regulations. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.